And most people don't.
Not even if it's like a small, like,
Yeah.
2 or 3 person.
Yeah, no one does it by default, even if it's small. There's no need because we need to screen share documents and like plan sheets.
Well, I don't give a shit about seeing your face.
Yeah, it's not necessary.
Kind of read the room.
Like one meeting was like some federal agency wanted to put a pump plant on our right of way, and they wanted us to do it for free, with all the piping and everything. We're like, are you serious? Like, you're asking us to do this for free? Why? Hey, how's it going? Thank you.
Thank you. No, you're good. Something with the grid. Yeah, no, I need to shoot it. Nice.
Yeah.
Go ahead. I'm gonna stand.
The heck is someone in my shoe?
Save all this video. Where do you store it all?
I have a 14 terabyte hard drive.
14.
Yeah, and it's like only half full.
From like your whole life, or?
Yeah, like seven terabytes is like everything that I've ever had.
Wow. Is it solid state drive or a regular?
It's a Seagate. I don't think it's solid state. I think it might be 7,200 RPM. I have to look back. But I don't know if those are super reliable. I need to. I want it backed up into something that's like really big and like reliable for like the next like 50 years.
Yeah. Oh well. Good luck, because they keep making different hard drives every.
Well, they make different kinds.
Yeah.
But I mean, sometimes I have like a copy of all that stuff on a different hard drive too, just in case one of them fails. You know, it's like double layering your condom.
Jesus, that's the worst idea ever.
I've never done that. I'm just saying.
I hear it's actually worse.
It's probably worse. I've never done it before. But yeah, it's like 99%, and then another 99% on top of that.
I don't know. It might take down the percentage actually.
Yeah, for condoms, but like not for hard drives.
Oh yeah. Start still in there.
Yeah.
How about this nice weather? Can't believe it. Got real prime weather. Could have been 20 plus degrees. Actually, like 20 to 30 degrees hotter.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So, like, we experienced it back home, like, the, you know, like, we don't get hot weather.
Yeah, they should have like a couple weeks, I think.
Yeah. I feel like it got a little longer. Wait till it next end of May. What do you mean? What? Your parents don't? Well, there's that card room you can rent out, honey.
Card room?
Yeah, that could be a room.
I don't really like where it's located.
The room?
Yeah. Too noisy for a living room.
Oh,
First Steven could do everything.
yeah. Steven's cute. Like all this cactus?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
This thing says it loops, but I'm not 100% sure.
Go down all trails?
No. Give me 1 second.
Raised by.
Okay, let's keep going.
Alright. Move over, Assy. I don't want to see your ass. God damn it. There we go. Mercy.
My English. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure.
Hey.
Yep. Ooh, bees.
All right, we're looping back.
Are we?
Yeah, it's on the other side.
Loop me, loop me.
Oh, some views here.
Is there?
Yeah, if you want to take a break.
Yeah, this is like the
Sure.
loopy part.
No, it's not a race, asshole.
I think it's like another trail. The hell? Oh, I just want to see how dry it was. It's bone dry. Neat.
Yeet. That guy's a world champion now.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna see what happens today.
Wait, where am I going? Am I going the right way?
Are we?
Shit. I think I go right.
Oh, the trail pointed.
Oh,
Yeah.
Jesus.
Oh shit. Oh well, there's the. Is that the airport? This is the airport.
Yeah.
That's the runway. So I think it's this way.
Oh no, my mappy's not working.
I think it's that way.
Hold on. No, it's actually this way.
What?
Yeah.
That doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Around the runway? Alright, fine.
Because we were just there.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
I didn't see the friends.
You have to go around the runway to get to the other side.
Oh, okay.
You get to the other side, or yeah. Fucking
Having a decent dinner food.
yeah.
All right.
Sit around.
Yeah, I got some good lubia food.
Ooh. Well, if there's something good, like if there's something worth getting, I wanted to fucking get a baseball. I went to a game.
Oh, wow.
Huh?
Whoa! There it is.
Oh yeah. Yeah. What is it? Oh, he's not gonna do it. He's too much of a scaredy cat. Yeah. Hurry up! Woo! Oh man. Yeah, turned around. Well, that was probably blocking it. Kind of goofy. Keishman really wanted me to see his fucking sex videos. I kept telling him no. Like,
He said
he's like, no, don't worry.
it's censored. It's censored.
I don't give a shit. Then he got worried that I'd spoil WrestleMania thing and stuff.
Oh, nice shade.
That's why I think like 1,000 people have seen this deer.
Maybe.
He said it's not.
Oh, another plane's coming in? Oh,
Oh,
shit,
yeah.
I want to see this.
I can't see. Go ahead in front.
All right, let's go. Oh,
That's pretty cool. If, like, part of the hike, you get to see that.
yeah.
I think we got a little lucky with that.
Sedona Airport.
It's the bonus airport.
Yeah, he might be going to the airport for another team.
Oh.
We're screwed. Like, that team, like, he was just good on that team. He's not going to be good on this team. He doesn't have a point guard.
Watch him make superstar or all-star every year on another team.
Could, yeah, sure. Probably. Yeah. If he goes to LA.
Like